Is it safe to use a propane torch bought at a hardware store? I've come across recipes that involve the use of a butane or propane torch. Is it safe to use a propane torch bought at the hardware store, or is there something different about the torches and/or fuel that is sold at a culinary store?
Propane and butane are pure alkanes. They don't produce anything nasty when burned. The worst you could possibly get should be carbon monoxide, and I am not even sure it can be produced in a torch. The dioxide is much more likely, but it being a gas, it won't stick to your food. The complex molecules you get from heating the food itself have more potential for being harmful than the combustion products of a propane-butane torch. Yes, it is food safe. Another matter of safety is that it is easier to cause a fire with a hardware store torch, because it has more power than the kitchen ones. But a sensible adult should be able to handle the thing safely. You will achieve the exact same results and save yourself considerable money getting your propane torch at the local hardware store. That said, depending on what you are attempting, creme brulee, for instance, may take some practice to get it right, but a generic propane soldering torch is fine.